All right, drink we're about to make is called Dirtiest Ernie. That's not Dirty Ernie, and that's not Dirtier Ernie. That's Dirtiest Ernie. Let's go ahead and put our ice in a glass. And we're going to do this as a chilled shot. Feel free to just go ahead and pour the alcohol straight into the shot glasses and do it that way. All right. Start off with a shot of 151. And follow it up with a shot of Rumpelminze. And last, but far from least, a shot of Everclear, which is grain alcohol. Doesn't get any higher proof than that. And let's go ahead and chill this. Going to make it a little more enjoyable. That ought to be good enough. Grab a couple of shot glasses and two friends that you do not like very much. And pour shot. You have yourself two Dirtiest Ernies. Bottoms up.